Hey guys, my name is Jake Garber with Denison Yachting, and we're here today in North Palm Beach to show you a 2019 50 Cruisers Cantius. Come on board and I'll show you all the features. So right here, I am standing on the swim platform, and what's really cool about this swim platform is it actually has a built-in ladder. So as the swim platform lowers, the ladder actually comes up as well, so it's easy to get in and out of the boat and in and out of the water as well. Another upgrade on this boat is this summer kitchen option. So you can grill out on the swim platform, lower it into the water a little bit, turn it into a beach club, however you please. Also back here in the stern, we have this hydraulic fender storage. So this opens up electronically and you can store lines, covers, fenders, whatever you'd like. Also here we have our tender chocks. So whether you want to carry a jet ski or a rib, this boat can easily do so. So just 4 steps up, we are walking into the cockpit of the Cruisers Cantius. As you come up, you have this awesome seating area, and this table is actually an upgrade which electronically goes up and down. And then of course we have a filler cushion that goes on top and turns it into a sunbathing place. Here we have the upgraded stool options. So this is a $10,000 upgrade at the factory just for these stools. And this window actually lowers so you can serve drinks or eat food with another person. Coming over here on the port side, we have a docking station, which is really awesome and creates great visibility. So you're coming into the dock and you want to see your lines and fenders, very easy to do so with this docking system. Also above, we have our sunshade. This is electronically actuated as well. And the cockpit table switch and sunshade switch is easily here by the docking station. Now let's take you into the salon of the Cruisers. So as you walk in, you immediately notice the headroom and interior volume. Very spacious galley here on the port side, 2-burner cooktop stove, convection oven and microwave, sink, and plenty of refrigeration. So here you have a refrigerator, and over here on the starboard side, you have an up and down refrigeration as well. The boat's equipped with Bose surround sound system, which is also an upgrade, as well as a Polk sound system. So come forward with me and we will walk here to where you can see the electronic sunshade. So let's say you want to let some sun in, some wind, shut your ACs off, you can easily open up this hatch and let natural sunlight in. Over here on the starboard side, we have a flat screen TV. It's actually equipped with Netflix, Hulu, HBO, all the goodies when you're staying at a marina. You have a nice seating area here on the starboard side, as well as the large eating and dining area here on the port side with these flanked tables. So this can come out as well. A lot of natural sunlight. Open up all these windows. The owner actually has covers for all these windows, so when you're not using the boat, you can keep the AC cold and protect the interior. So we'll walk forward and I'll show you the helm. So here's the helm of the Cruisers. You got twin Garmin displays. These are multi-function, so you can pretty much pull up your sound system, your charts, your depth. Everything is really all in one here, as well as your engine information actually too. And then of course we have our prize joystick that everyone loves, that is equipped with dynamic positioning, which keeps you in place. And then you have your Volvo throttles, which brings me to tell you guys that the boat is equipped with twin IPS Volvos. Pushes this boat around 40 miles per hour at top speed with a comfortable cruise around 35 miles per hour. And just 5 steps down, we're going to take you into the staterooms. Boat is equipped with a 3 stateroom, 2-head layout. So we'll start here in the VIP. So as you open this door, you have a very spacious VIP stateroom. And there's actually a door on the other side here that connects you to the VIP head. And quickly I will show you the guest stateroom with over-under bunks. And then if you come here with me, the control panel for easy access to all your switches and systems is right here. Now we'll take you into everyone's favorite part, the master stateroom. Here's the master head. Storage here, and then right now we have our full beam master, so you can completely walk around both sides of the bed. Plenty of storage all around this boat. And then another huge factor is this washer and dryer combo that's here in the master. Flat screen TV, sound system control, chargers for your phone, very comfortable area here. Over here on the starboard side of the boat, we have a lounge area. So let's say you want to open up some natural sunlight in the morning and drink your coffee, you can easily lay down here and do so. This is one of my favorite parts of the boat. You have this indented seating area, and this table actually goes in and out from underneath this cushion right here. And then actually stored under these cushions is a forward bow shade. So fastens in here and you're shaded completely all the way on the bow. Of course, all the way forward, you have your electronic windlass with foot pedals. Again, my name is Jake Garber with Denison Yachting, and we're here on the 2019 50 Cruisers Cantius. We're priced at $980K, which is aggressively priced for this market, and we'd love to find a new owner. Thank you.